I want to take you through a typical brushing kit. What is the content and how to use your brushing kit, which is probably will be recommended by your dentist when you have braces. So the first content is the toothbrush, which is the orthodontic toothbrush. It's very firm. It's not too soft. It's not too hard, so it's going to be good for your braces. The second thing is the travel brush, which you can actually put maybe in your bag, in your purse. If you are a student, you can go to school with it. And then the other thing is we have the mirror. So this mirror, should you have maybe something pricking you, or you want to check something that is happening to your braces, you can use it to reflect maybe with another mirror. Then you have the wax. So sometimes you'll have like a wire is pricking you. So what you normally do is you put this wax, you just cut a small portion, then you place it on the wire that is breaking or on the bracket, so that you can protect the soft tissue. So before your next dental appointment, then you have the this is called floss, dental floss. Just the normal dental floss. So what you normally do, you cut it like that, then you use it with a floss pick, because when you have braces you have a wire, so it can go through and through. So you normally use this floss pick. I'll just show you. That is going to help with flossing your teeth. So you'll put it inside the floss, sorry, just like that. And then with this floss pick, you can be able to go inside the tooth, below or above the wire. Then you can create this action to floss your teeth, to remove anything that is stuck, and it should be done at least once a day. The other thing is a timer. This you should be able, this is just a guidance for how long you should brush your teeth, because you're brushing in a very thorough way, so you should not rush it. Okay, so this is a timer. So it's supposed to guide you on how long you should take before you're done brushing your teeth. So these are the content of orthodontic tooth brushing kit.